Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious hot chocolate lollipops. It is a very easy recipe. You can make it vegan using vegan chocolate, or you can also replace the dark chocolate with milk chocolate. So let's start! For the recipe we will need 2 cups of chocolate. I use dark chocolate, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, an 1/8 cup of cocoa butter. I use organic one, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of cayenne pepper. You can use other spices if you don't like them. We will also use some cinnamon sticks or lollipop sticks, and for garnish some sprinkles or cocoa powder. Now the silicone mold that I use is a heart-shaped silicone mold, but you can use any other. In a big bowl, combine the dark chocolate and the cocoa butter and melt it either over a double boiler or in the microwave. Make sure you melt the chocolate and not burn it. It will burn really quickly. So you want to get like a creamy texture. Now we can add the cocoa powder. You want to sift it so you don't have any lumps in the end product, in our lollipops. And add the cinnamon and the cayenne pepper. Now if you don't want this flavor, you can change, add different flavors, or just don't add any. Once you have all the dry ingredients, stir it until it all combine. Don't worry, you cannot overmix it, so just stir. Once we have all the chocolate mix ready, we can transfer it into a piping bag. This will be easier later to pipe the molds instead of using a teaspoon to transfer it. And now let's have fun. Set all the sprinkles that you want to use, the cinnamon sticks. Everything should be handy. Take the piping bag, cut it so we can start filling the molds. Now fill all the molds with the chocolate. Make sure you don't have any chocolate left. If you have more chocolate, take another mold and fill it until it's all filled. Now tap the mold on the surface so we will get all the bubbles out and we will have a nice surface. And sprinkle it over all the chocolate. You can also use marshmallow or cocoa powder. Then you take the sticks. I use here cinnamon sticks, but you can use lollipop sticks, and put them in the chocolate. As you see, the chocolate holds the sticks. You don't have to wait for it to harden. Pop it in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes and then take it out and let it set in room temperature. Now you can sit down and enjoy your hot chocolate. Take 1 cup of warm milk and just stir the hot chocolate lollipop. Enjoy!